Here is the 2024 Evolution Plus 4 lime green model. So we took this cart here and she's sitting on 23-inch tires now. These are the tires that are on the Forester model with the lift kit, but they fit real nice on the Plus models and the Pros. And we added the extreme floor mat, even though the green's a little off, but still nicer than the factory floor mat or factory floor. And this cart, it's got the lime green cup holders, got the 9-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth speakers here in the dash. Let's see, cover's still on her. And we're selling this cart here with these rims and tires on it for $94.99.